Hi friends, it's Mrs. Gum. Today's lesson is focusing on listening for the k and g sounds as I read them. We're going to look at a picture and you can check out the picture and see if you can find some of the words that I'm saying that have the k and g sounds. Those are our back sounds that we make with the back of our tongue lifting up to the top of our mouth. K and g. All right, listen carefully. In this picture, look at this picture. This is a picture of Kirk's birthday party. There's a sign. It says, "Happy birthday, Kirk." Kirk is so excited for his birthday. He had friends come for his party, and his mom baked his favorite kind of cake, chocolate cake. His cake has a picture of a kite on it. Kirk can't wait to eat some cake. Kirk's mom was so happy about Kirk's birthday, she gave him a big kiss on his cheek. That made Kirk smile. Kirk's friends were watching Kirk open his presents. Kirk's favorite present that he got for his birthday was a new bike. He had wanted a new bike for so long, and now he finally got one. Kirk also got a new coat for his birthday. Kirk received a new game and a new book, too. Kirk also received a new car. He couldn't wait to play with that car after his birthday party. Another one of his favorite presents was gack. Gooey, sticky gack. Kirk loved to play gack. He wanted to play with the gack with his friends. Kirk's cat sat on the couch and watched all the fun they were having at Kirk's birthday party. Kirk had some snacks at his party, and he had some drinks. He had Coke to drink, and his friend drank so much Coke that Kirk's mom had to say that he'd had enough Coke for the day. He had to set his cup down and drink some water after that. Did you hear the words that have the k and g sounds in them? Here are some of the words: bike, book, cake, car, cat, cheek, coat, Coke, couch, cup, gack, game, Kirk, kiss, kite. Good listening. You heard the words that have k and g in them. You're on your way to good speech. Keep up the good work.